सुप्रभात बच्चों, नमस्कार. गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन. हाउ आर यू ऑल? ओके. सो हम लोग ये जो पार्ट 9 जो है स्वतंत्रता की ओर, इस पार्ट को पढ़ रहे हैं. सो फ्रॉम प्रीवियस सेशन ऑनवर्ड्स वी आर लर्निंग दिस लेसन, स्वतंत्रता की ओर. ओके. सो this lesson actual writer is Subhadra Sen Gupta. Okay, so from Subhadra Sen Gupta to this story was translated in Hindi. Her name is Manisha Chaudhary. Okay, she is the writer of this lesson, Swatantrata Ki War. Okay, children. So the writers, you have to remember the names. So this can, maybe they can ask for 1 mark question in the exam. Okay, children. So learn the names also, remember the names. Okay, come we'll see the story of this lesson, स्वतंत्रता की ओर. हम लोग आज इस पाठ स्वतंत्रता की ओर का लेसन हम लोग देखते हैं. तो इससे पहले पिछली जो कहानी है मैं उसको एक बार आप लोगों को पुनरावृत्ति कर देती हूँ. ठीक है बच्चों, ये जो कहानी है स्वतंत्रता की ओर की कहानी, 9 साल का बच्चा जो है धनी की कहानी है. वो स्वतंत्रता के लिए वो भाग लेना चाहता था, मगर वो 9 साल होने के कारण उसको कोई भी ये जो स्वतंत्रता की इसमें भाग कोई भी नहीं देता था, क्योंकि वो छोटा है ना. तो सब लोग बोलते थे तुम छोटे हो तो तुम भाग नहीं ले पाओगे, ऐसे बोलते थे. तो ये जो कहानी है धनी की कहानी. So this 9 years Dhani, he is living in the Gandhiji's ashram, Sabarmati ashram. That Sabarmati ashram nearby the Ahmedabad. Okay, so there he is living with his parents. So one day what it was happened, so all the members they are joining and they are doing the meeting in the Gandhiji's room. At the time he came to know something was planning. So what it was planning, he want to know that thing. So at the time he went to her mother and he asked, so what something is going on, what is that, like that he started asking. At that time mama got angry and he shouted, you go, I want to do the kitchen work, I want to cook, like that she said. At the time so remaining other members also, they are living in Sabarmati ashram. Those who are there in the Sabarmati ashram, they want to they are doing their works like as a cooking, washing clothes, washing vessels, and the next filling the water from well. After that they are taking care of the cows and goats. So Dhani is also having one work, like he is taking care of Binni. It is a kid, which means goat baby. Okay, so whatever the things are there, he want to share. He used to share with Binni only. So Binni, he is a good friend of Dhani. What Dhani is telling at the time, this Binni is nicely he is nodding head and he used to tell us this one is good, this one is bad, like that. Okay, so at the time he felt very bad when the mother she got angry. At the time he went and he shared this thing to the Binni. So there only in ashram one more person is there he want to share. So his name is Band. Okay, so at that time Binda. Okay, so his uncle name was Binda. Okay, he want to this Binda uncle, his work is he used to collect the vegetables from the farms. So he went and he is collecting the potatoes. At the time he went to that Binda uncle, this Dhani. He asked Binda uncle what was the planning is going on. Everybody are sitting in the Gandhiji's room and they are speaking something like that. He asked. At the time Binda uncle said, no, they want to travel from here to another place, like that Binna uncle said. At that time he asked where they are traveling, like that he asked. They are going nearby the place of where is the they are going nearby the place of ocean. That place is Dandi place. They are going from here to, by walk they are going. Gandhiji is also going, like that this Binda uncle said. At the time, why Gandhiji is going by walk, what is the use, like that he asked. Why he is going by walk only, like that this Dhani he was asked. So at the time this Binda uncle said, no, actually they are going for they want to fight on the tax. What is the tax? Why they why the tax, like that he started asking. At the time Binda uncle said, no, we are paying the tax on the salt, like that he said. So at the time this Dhani, he was surprised. What, we are getting the salt in shops only, then why we have to pay the tax for British government, like that he asked. So at that time Binda uncle said, no, this British government, now we are getting the salt from the ocean, for that also they are collecting the tax. So on that, Gandhiji, he want to fight. So that's why they all are going. What are the cities are coming nearby the villages, and when they are going by walk at the time, what are the villages, the cities, what towns. So they all are going and visiting, and from there to they are gathering the people and they are going up to Dandi, like that Binda uncle said to Dhani. Okay, so this much we had seen. Today we'll continue the story. Okay. अच्छा, धनी हैरान रह गया. So when the Binda uncle said these words, no, at the time धनी, he was got surprised. नमक की ज़रूरत सभी को है. इसका मतलब है कि हर भारतवासी गरीब से गरीब भी ये कर देता है. At the time he said to Binda uncle, so everyone are using the salt, which means the salt is very important for us. So which means those who are living in this country, which means those who are Indians are there, those who are the poor Indians are there, so they are also paying the tax, like that he started asking to Binda uncle. Binda chacha ने आगे समझाया. So at that time Binda uncle, what he did, what are the things, what it is happening, so everything he started explaining. लेकिन ये तो सरासर अन्याय है. At that time he said, this one is very bad, like that this Dhani started saying. Okay, so Dhani की आंखों में गुस्सा था. At the time Dhani's eyes, he got angry, so that angry, it was showing on his eyes. Okay children, so next. So next, हाँ हाँ ये अन्याय है. At the time Binda uncle said, हाँ, it is yes, it is injustice, like that Binda uncle said to Dhani. इतना ही नहीं, भारतीय लोगों को नमक बनाने की मनाही है. Not only that thing, so we are the Indians, we should not make the salt, like that they kept the strict rule. Okay, they passed the strict rule from the British government. महात्मा जी ने ब्रिटिश सरकार को कर हटाने को कहा, पर उन्होंने ये बात ठुकरा दी. So actually Gandhi ji, he told to the British government, you remove the tax on the salt, but they were rejected that thing. इसलिए उन्होंने निश्चय किया है कि वे दांडी चल कर जाएंगे और समुद्र के पानी से नमक बनाएंगे. So that's why Mahatma Gandhi ji, he decided, okay, we'll go by walk to Dandi, and there we are taking the sea water and we are going to make the salt, like that Gandhi ji was decided. 1 महीने तक पैदल चलेंगे. Whole 1 month they are going by walk. धनी सोचकर परेशान हो रहा था. At that time धनी, he thought and he got very much worried. ओके, सो गांधी जी तो थक जाएंगे. एट द टाइम धनी सेड टू बिन्ना अंकल, एट द टाइम गांधी जी ही इज गेटिंग टायर्ड, लाइक दैट ही आस्क्ड, वे दांडी बस या ट्रेन से क्यों नहीं जा सकते. एट द टाइम धनी वाज आस्क्ड टू बिन्ना अंकल व्हाई ही कम व्हाई गांधी वाज व्हाई गांधी जी व्हाई ही इज नॉट गोइंग बाय ट्रेन और अदरवाइज by bus, why he is going by walk, like that he asked. क्योंकि यदि वे इस लंबी यात्रा पर दांडी तक पैदल जाएंगे तो ये खबर फैलेगी. सपोज इफ ही इज गोइंग बाय वॉक मीन्स अप टू दांडी, so this news everyone came to know what it is happening. They are collecting the tax on the salt also, like that this news will come, like that. This news it is going to spread, like that Binna uncle said to Dhani. अखबारों में फोटो, इन द न्यूज़पेपर फोटोज also will come, फोटो छपेंगे, so that photos are going to print in the newspaper. रेडियो पर रिपोर्ट आ जाएगी, so in the radio it is getting the report also. और पूरी दुनिया के लोग ये जान जाएंगे. So at the same time whole world people they came to know कि हम अपनी स्वतंत्रता के लिए लड़ रहे हैं. What they came to know, we are fighting for freedom, like that whole people they came to know, like that बिन्दा अंकल सेड टू धनी. और ब्रिटिश सरकार के लिए ये बड़ी शर्म की बात होगी. एट द टाइम दिस ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट इज गेटिंग शेम ऑन दिस, लाइक दैट बिन्दा अंकल सेड. गांधी जी बड़े ही अक्लमंद है ना. एट द टाइम धनी सेड गांधी जी इज अ वेरी इंटेलिजेंट. नो, लाइक दैट ही आस्क्ड. धनी की आंखें चमकी. एट द टाइम धनीज आईज लिटिल बिट ब्राइटनेस इज देयर. बिन्दा ने हंसकर कहा, हाँ वही तो है, वे तो है ही. एट द टाइम बिन्दा अंकल ही स्माइल्ड एंड ही सेड यस दैट इज ट्रू, लाइक दैट बिन्दा अंकल सेड. दोपहर को जब आश्रम में थोड़ी शांति छाई, धनी अपने पिता को ढूंढने निकला. सो आफ्टर इन द आफ्टरनून द आश्रम इज वेरी क्वाइट. एट द टाइम धनी ही वेंट फॉर सर्चिंग फॉर हिज फादर. वे एक पेड़ के नीचे बैठकर चरखा काट रहे थे. एट द टाइम हिज फादर व्हाट ही इज डूइंग, ही इज टेकिंग दैट wool, that cloth making wheel will be there, no, that from we are calling in Hindi charkha. So he is weaving the cloth on that. So that spinning wheel will be there, no, on that he is doing the work. पिताजी, क्या आप और अम्मा दांडी यात्रा पर जा रहे हैं. एट द टाइम धनी was started asking, Dad, you and mother both are going to the दांडी प्लेस, लाइक दैट ही वाज asked. धनी ने सीधे काम की बात पूछी. एट द टाइम धनी ही स्टार्टेड आस्किंग डायरेक्टली टू हिज फादर. मैं जा रहा हूँ. आई एम अलोन गोइंग. तुम और अम्मा यही रहोगे. यू एंड मदर बोथ आर स्टेइंग हियर ओनली, लाइक दैट धनीज फादर सेड टू धनी. मैं भी आपके साथ चल रहा हूँ. एट द टाइम धनी सेड आई एम ऑल्सो कमिंग विथ यू, लाइक दैट ही सेड. बेकार की बात मत करो धनी. डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम, डोंट लूज योर टॉक धनी, लाइक दैट फादर सेड टू धनी. तुम इतना लंबा नहीं चल पाओगे. यू आर अनेबल टू वॉक अप टू दैट मच लॉन्ग, लाइक दैट ही सेड. आश्रम के नौजवान ही जा रहे हैं. ओनली आश्रम एंगर्स विल बी देयर, नो, दे आर ओनली गोइंग, लाइक दैट धनीज फादर सेड टू धनी. धनी ने हट पकड़ लिया. एट द टाइम धनी ही स्टार्टेड लाइक एरोगेंट, नो आई वांट टू कम, लाइक दैट ही सेड. मैं 9 साल का हूँ और आपसे तेज दौड़ सकता हूँ. आई एम 9 years old बट आई एम गोइंग टू run very fast, like that Dhani said to his father. Okay children, up to this much we had learned. So in the next session we are going to see the continuation of the story. Okay, before ending today's session I want to say one thing children. So we are having art integration activity. Okay, so already I sent the I gave the notice in our classroom assignment, even though our personal group also. So children, this art integration activity, what is the activity, we'll see now. Okay, so tarah tarah ki naave. So you have to make different types of boards on the chart paper. Okay, if you want to draw now, you can draw, or otherwise if you want to stick the pictures now, you stick it. And for each board you have to write what is that boat, what we are calling that boat, that name. Okay, ये जो है ये नाव है. Okay, why we are using, what is the purpose? Only two sentences, write in Hindi, not in English, write in Hindi, and nicely decorate the chart. Okay, so these charts, everything we are going to present, we are going to make like as a video. Okay children, so everyone has to do in you take one big chart paper. On the chart paper you stick some 4 or 5 pictures. Okay, so any 4 or 5 pictures you stick it in different types of boards, and for what is that board we are calling, and what is the purpose for using that board. These two sentences you write. Okay, try to read the thing also. Sometimes they can ask, or otherwise I can also ask. Just you take that activity and take the photo and send in the assignment session, which one I had posted previously. Okay children, so this activity you have to submit on or before 4th January. Okay children, so your activity is draw, paste the different types of boards and write 2 sentences on each in Hindi. So each in Hindi na, you have to write what is that boat, what we are calling in Hindi, that one, and for what purpose we are using. Okay, fishing boat is different and traveling boat is different, and for army boats also will be there, no, navies. Okay, so they are using the ship, that is also different. And they are going for other places. Okay, that that ships is also different. Okay, what we are calling, and for what purpose we are using. These 2 sentences for each thing you have to write. Okay, first you stick the boat picture and write 2 sentences down. Next, another boat, write 2 sentences. Like that you have to do. This is the activity for you children. Everyone has to do, and everyone has to submit